Hey guys, this is Calvin from InstaLOD. In this video, Matthew from CVEDIA showcases how they were able to use InstaLOD to automate the optimization of their 3D assets, which they use for AI and machine learning applications. Using InstaLOD, the team at CVEDIA was able to reduce their time spent on optimizing assets from days to mere minutes, without compromising on visual quality. I hope you enjoy.
Hi, I'm Matthew from CVEDIA, and today I'd like to talk to you about how we've been using InstaLOD as a huge improvement to our workflow, where we create, adapt, and optimize assets and environments for AI simulation and training. Due to the high demand of assets and environments required for our work, we needed to improve our speed and automate one of the most complex and time-consuming procedures we do, which is model optimization. This optimization phase involves several manual and delicate processes that sometimes take many hours or even days to complete. Many 3D softwares offer partial automation for some of these processes, but for us there was a better solution. Using InstaLOD, we can reduce models with more than 3 million polygons and a variety of materials down to 150,000 polygons with a simple PBR material in a matter of minutes, and most importantly without compromising any visual quality. Now I'm going to show you an example of the optimization options that InstaLOD offers and how we regularly use them. Firstly, we import our model to create a new scene. InstaLOD can import many types of files, and in our case, we're going to use the FBX extension. Now we can prepare our scene by creating lights and choosing the environment. And as you can see, it offers several configuration options. The next step would be to work with the materials. In this case, this model is not UV unwrapped and doesn't work with textures. We will configure the material settings in the material editor window. In the case of working with UV unwrapped models with textures, InstaLOD has a variety of material slots that you can add them into. Once all the materials are configured, we go to the optimization phase, and we will use the remesh mode with the optimization option. After, we can adjust the maximum number of triangles we want our model to have after optimization. Then we will go into the texture output menu to configure the path and the settings we require for our exported textures. Now we can proceed and start the actual optimization process. With this process, we'll get the maximum polygon reduction that the model can support without losing any visual quality, and automatically UV unwrap the model so that we can reduce all the materials into a single PBR material. And we can achieve all this from a model that had 1.5 million polygons and wasn't UV unwrapped at all. At the end of the process, the model looks great and hasn't compromised any visual quality. And here you can see the final result imported into Unity. As you can see, this is one of the many benefits that InstaLOD offers. We managed to avoid doing mesh reduction, UV unwrapping processes, and we can collapse all of the materials into a single PBR material in a matter of minutes. InstaLOD can also generate LODs, bake textures, or retessellate specific parts of the mesh. To find out more, please visit www.instalod.com for full details on the software and how to get your hands on it. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all of the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.